Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And so today I'm going to show you how I'm doing my box braids. What?
Box braids? Since you can braid.
Yes, I can.
Anyways, today I'm going to be doing my box braids. I'm going to show you what I put in my hair. I'm going to show you what I put in my hair when I blow dry it, and that's really it. Just so you know, this video is going to be within 2 days. Because right now it is 52 and I'm not trying to stay up until 5 in the morning doing this. So when I get tired, I'm going to stop. So I'm gonna put my stuff in my hair. I'm about to show you what I put in my hair to keep it moisturized during this process and what I'm gonna use for it.
You know, all that, okay?
So let's go ahead and do this. My braiding hair, I'm using Expressions in 613. It's 84 inches. Okay, and it's 84 inches, but I'm gonna cut it in half because, honey, I don't do that length. Okay, and then I got 3 packs of the blonde color, and I also got 3 packs of 1B. And you might think, why? Because I wanted to do all blonde, but I was like, I don't think I'm gonna do that. First stuff you're gonna use white tooth comb, the pit comb. I got this from my beauty supply down the street that I can walk to. Then you're gonna need a Denman brush or whatever brush you use to blow dry. A blow dryer. This one is a Babyliss Nano Titanium. Oh, it's a Babyliss Pro. A water bottle. Some leave-in conditioner. I'm using Garnier Curl Nourish 3-Day Moisture. Protected built into it is by Cantu Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment. I think it's Miel Organics oil in mint. It's a replenishing styling cream. I know you're thinking why you need this. Because it's moisturized. I'm gonna show you my hair though. See how it's like this? I got it all wrapped up. See this mess. Ooh, child.
The ghetto. The ghetto.
And it's in this tacky bun. We about to do some good braids. Oh, and also I'm gonna show you a picture that I'm like inspired by. After this video, I might do a makeup one if I finish my braids in time, because tomorrow I don't work until 2:30, so it might be tomorrow. I don't know, but be on the lookout. I'm not giving up on beauty. I just wanted to do some other stuff. See her hair? Focus. You see it? You see how it's all pink and stuff, and like her hair is like, that's what I wanted to do with the blonde. There we go. That's what I want to do with the blonde. But I'm scared. I don't like getting stared at. But you see how her parts are and everything? It's gonna be somewhat like that. That's the plan. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this started. Boom! And now it is time to blow dry my hair.
One eternity later.
Oh. Bald who? Bald who? Who's bald? Who's bald? I split ends, but who's bald? Not me. I ain't bald. I ain't bald at all. Who's bald? I'm not bald. I started blow drying my hair at like 7:10. It's 8:16. Granted, I finished like, yeah, I finished at 8 basically, because I've been here playing around and stuff. But who's Bob? I'm not Bob. Alright, y'all. Alright. Okay. It's parted, right? It's not that straight, but look, okay? I've been trying. Can you see it? I know I'm trying to part in this camera like it's really working for me. It's not. Okay, basically I'm gonna show you how I'm like parting or whatever. So I'm gonna go like right here. This is, you cosmetologist or whatever, then you know apex. I'm starting at the apex, the highest point in your hair. I'm starting at the apex, right? I'm gonna go down to my ear. So right there, okay? Can you see it? Okay, see, I could do that part easily and not be stressed out. But when it comes up here, it's like, what? Anyways, that's how I'm gonna start the top. It's like parting right there. Try to do that one. Hold on. Clip it back. Please don't leave. I'm home by myself. So if you're like, why is she screaming at 8 at night? No one's here. Can you see it? Can you see my parting? See, it's connected. Okay, cool. You saw it. If you didn't, just pause it and look. So my parts are gonna be about kind of that big, but a little bit, you know, smaller. And okay, first I'm gonna go fix this part. First I'm gonna fix this part, so I'll be right back. This is gonna be my first mixed braid. Can't really see it because, see, it looks like Cruella de Vil in a way. Okay, so here's my hair. I have this edge control. There we go. This edge control right here. It's my curls or whatever. And I put it around it. This is how I do it. Okay, so you're gonna take your braid, right? Braiding hair. Cool. If you know how to braid, then it's gonna be easier for you. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take the braiding hair, right? Then I'm just going to like loop it. Take my middle, I think that's my middle finger, and cross, and bam. That's how I latch it on. I don't know if you saw it, but hopefully you did. And then I'm just gonna braid it. Braid. Then it's gonna get in the middle, and I'm gonna take hair from each side. Like, I'm gonna take this hair and I'm gonna connect it to my hair. See that? I don't know. Then I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna take the next biggest one. I'm gonna take hair from that one, put it to this hair, and braid. And I'm gonna keep like borrowing hair from each side until, you know, all sides are equal. So I'm gonna take some hair from this side, put into this braid. Yeah. And when you're braiding, like make sure you go through the ends. Like you're braiding, and so like the ends will get caught up. Make sure you're going whoosh to like break it up, because if not, it's irritating. All right, take it, right? Pull the middle finger, and you're gonna loop around, okay? And here you go. And then, you know, here, it's crisscrossed around my hair, right? This is my hair. I'm gonna pull it so it's tighter, and I'm gonna braid so it's tighter. Okay. Borrow hair from this side, connect it to my hair, cross, take hair from this side, put it in my hair, cross, and yeah, let's see if that's better. Oh yeah, that's better, a lot better. And I'm gonna just braid. And don't worry if you're slow. That's why I said it's gonna take me 2 days to do this. Because last time I ever braided my hair, it took 2 days to do. So So yeah, that's how I do it. The ends, you know. I'm gonna have to rebraid them at the end, but hold on. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna like it. It's different. Let's just say that. That's it. I'll come back to you probably tomorrow, because I think that's when I'll reach the end. Well, the back of my head. Okay? Cool.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Hey. It's darker than usual. And it is 2:51 in the morning. And I'm halfway done. Halfway done. How many hours has it been? I don't know. I think I should move this braid on this one because it's just weird. This is what we have so far. I have this part left. You might think that's a lot left. My parts are really big. I didn't want small parts. And I feel like doing this for 2 days. Like I said, it is going to be another day. It's another day. But I did say I was going to show you how I do the back braids. I did most of them. So, yeah. I'm so tired. Okay, so here's my braid. I'm hoping you can see this, because if you don't, I'm not doing this again. It's a one-time thing. Okay, so I did my part. I have no idea if it's straight. I'll find out when I edit it. And take some what's this called? Escrow. I don't really need it. I just put it on sometimes. And it smells really good. Put it like around. Okay. Push this up. Take some blonde hair. Take it like that. Right over here, so I gotta do this fast. Okay, see this? So wrap it around this way, right? Go like this. Flip it. Okay. Keep going. Like you're braiding your hair down. That's how I do it, to keep it from getting loose. But yeah, that's how I do that. My camera's overheating once again. It hasn't even been on that long, but I'm gonna finish my hair and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the final look. I guess I put in a bun. I don't know how to feel about them. They look dumb. I don't really like it. I want to take it out, but this took so long. So I'm just like, maybe I should just put all black braids in. I didn't even use all the bags because they're, well, the braids are pretty like medium, large. But the parts, the parting is pretty big. Ow. Another reason why I hate getting braids. It catches onto all my earrings. I'm gonna take it down so you can see it, but that was a struggle by itself. Okay. Anyways, this is it. Like, it's not a fail because I did them really good. It's just a fail on what I wanted it to look like. I feel like I should have just did all blonde like I wanted to. Cause like the blonde ones, like them, even though you'll see black because it's my hair. It's still like the blonde ones. It's just when I start doing this and this and this. Like, what is this? It started getting dusty. I might redo some of them too. Ow. I might do some of them so I can like it better. Yeah.
Picking it up, I'm loving, I'm living, I'm picking it up.
Hey, welcome. No, I don't like that. Hey. My tongue's blue. Boom, boom. Okay, for real this time. For real. Focus! There we go.